Good morning. Today is December 15, 2024, third Sunday of Advent. Gaudete Sunday. Rejoice.
Lord Jesus Christ, the Lord, is our joy. This Sunday reminds us of the joy that we felt when the angel Gabriel told us that a special child would be born to her, a child who would save and deliver us.
Tinurunin ko, madalas sana kayo. Ipakilala ninyo sa lahat ng tao ang kanyang kagandahang loob, malapit na ang Panginoon. Kayo po ay tinatawag nating Gaudete Sunday dahil po ang ibig sabihin ng Gaudete ay rejoice. Magalak kayo sa Panginoon tuwina. At